إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اللهم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اللهم وحد صفوفنا بين المسلمين والنصارى والعمال إلى صراطك المستقيم اللهم امنحهم العيش بالأمن والسلامة والتنمية المستدامة في مدينة دافاو اللهم لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
Sa atong kapulisan, sa atong CDRRMO na adiri karon ng andam pagsuporta sa ato workforce ang full force ang support sa ato ang Honorable Mayor karon sa atong City Government of Davao. And also sa atong mga DSI nga naa karon ug sa akong mga staff sa PIDAW ug sa akong mga kaigsuonan nga magalaing-laing mga organisasyon. Welcome, let's enjoy the day. Ato aning adlaw karon, so therefore we have to enjoy lang yun. O di kailangan ang atong sportsmanship ato agyong tumanon. Walay away, dula-dula lang, ha? Let's enjoy the day. Okay, thank you.
Swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizer of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest form and standard of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belonging, peace and community, enjoyment with my teammates and other participants. And now I therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman in do, in word, and in deed. So help me God. Thank you.
Kulang deh. Sayo kaya tungpod, gapon wag kita ipod.